Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to change the display language in Microsoft Word. Friends, due to any reason if you want to change the display language in Microsoft Word, normally all the tabs and options available in English language. If you want to change its language, then you simply need to click on review. In review, click on language and here select language preference. Now here you need to select the language. Now for example I select Hindi, and after selecting the language you need to click on add and press OK. It will install the language and all the layout options will come in that particular language. So friends, like this you can very easily change the display language in Microsoft Word. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.